Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this open cup from Etsy store Chris has LED. I will put link into the description box if you are interested to buy this split cup for yourself. It's kind of interesting. I get some interesting results with it, so I thought that I will try to do just an open cup, and I will kind of bounce like this around and see if this will make any nice effects. And I will not use silicone or something for cells, so I will just put some 24 karat gold in it, just maybe to get some lacing cells or something. So, okay. And I will go like this. I will add some Amsterdam Azo Yellow middle here, and I will add some 24 karat gold here, and I will add some alizarian crimson here, and some Amsterdam turquoise green there, and then I will go with gold on the yellow here, and then I will go with red on top of the gold. I will just and I will add this turquoisey color here and yellow here. And let's go with red here, turquoise here, and yellow here. No, I will add gold here. I will just switch a little bit. It's not, I don't know, that you have to do the same thing all over. Let's add some of this turquoise here again. And I will go with yellow and the gold here. And this turquoise here. Now I lose my track probably. And red here. Let's add some red here. Some gold that I miss here maybe. Let's add some gold in this one too. Some yellow here. Some red here. Add just a little bit of turquoise here. Gold here and red here. Okay, and I will cover this with white, all of them. Okay. just don't know how this will work, but I can still, you know, then use some silicone to get some cells or whatever, just to give some interest, maybe, if there will not be a lot of effects. But I think that this gold should create some effects, so I hope so. And because some of paints are opaque and some are transparent, and these can create some nice shapes too, so we will see. Maybe just pour a little white around. And now I will just lift it and put it back down in kind of circle shapes, circle way. Oops. I didn't think that I will have this in the middle, so I will just add a little white on my palette knife and kind of circle this a little bit in the middle too. Okay. I will just go with my finger here. Interesting in a way. I have a ton of air bubbles. And I will pour just some white around for my flow extender. And then I will spin this and see what will happen. When I will stretch this, maybe not much, but want to see. My puddle is more to this side, so I will not add a lot of paint here, so hopefully it will. I'm just afraid to, maybe I will just go in a circle once or twice, just to see. Okay. I will just try to camouflage this thing here where I kind of dripped or something. I like how here color popped out, so I will just try to go here once more because I don't like this part, and maybe I can bring some color out here. Okay, so let's spin this out. I think that I shouldn't have put white here when I did this swirl, because I don't know, maybe I will just go once more here. Just to bring a little more color out. Hope. Okay. Don't want to lose this cell here. So maybe it wouldn't be bad with silicone oil, because I see that a lot of beautiful things popping through. I don't see a lot of gold. I was hoping for some lacing. I see it here, but not a lot on the other parts, but still I think that it's kind of interesting. Definitely, if I would go once more, I would use silicone for maybe some cells. But this time I will just grab a silicone oil and put a drop on my fingers, and I will just try to do this and see if something will happen. Just sprinkle some silicone. Not a lot, but just to maybe bring some cells, nice cells out here and there. See how they popping through. Just don't want to overdo this. Don't have a lot of silicone left on my fingers, so I'm kind of tempted to do something here in the middle, because I think that I missed something in the middle, but I don't know what. I was thinking about balloon dip here in the middle, but not sure about that. Maybe just try to, I put silicone on my stick and I will just try to maybe do some, you know, dots of silicone just to maybe bring some color out here. It's just kind of weirdish middle. I don't even know if weirdish is a word. Weird middle, I should say. Just watching where some color is underneath and try to bring some of the colors out with silicone oil. Don't see much underneath here. I will leave it. And I don't want to spin this now, because all those cells could go in a weird shape, so I will just take you down for a close-up. I think that it's quite interesting, and now I'm not sure if I like these cells. So but I just think that you can get some cool effects with this split cup like this. I know that Olga Sabi from Smart Art Materials did a lot of those, and they look quite interesting, so maybe you can check her out too if you want. Just I always struggle with at the end what to do, because those, you know, middle of your open cup stays and you kind of doesn't fit into other, like those cells with gold around and yellow around. They will grow a little more, and I love these little gold ones here. But you see here, the middle is just not, I don't know. Kind of like it, but not completely. So this is it for today. And you know that I'm not a big fan of silicone oil, so probably I shouldn't have done that, but now it's done. So this is it for today. Tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye!